Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up the Eduma Education WordPress theme step by step. Eduma is a powerful and flexible theme designed for schools, colleges, universities, online courses, and learning management systems. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Appearance, then click on Themes. Now click Add New, and then choose Upload Theme. Click Choose File, select the Eduma theme zip file, and click Install Now. After the installation is complete, click Activate to enable the theme. Once activated, you'll see a notification to install required plugins. Click Begin installing plugins, select all required plugins, then install and activate them. Next, to import demo content, go to Eduma Demo Import. Choose a demo layout that fits your education website and click Import. Please wait until the import process is finished. Now go to Appearance Customize to change your logo, colors, typography, and layout settings. You can also edit pages easily using Elementor or WP Bakery Page Builder, depending on the demo. To manage courses, go to LearnPress from your dashboard. Here you can add courses, lessons, quizzes, instructors, and manage students. Finally, visit your website to preview everything and make final adjustments. That's it. Your Eduma Education WordPress theme is now installed and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.